The Rhode Island State Police, RISP, is an agency of the U.S. state of Rhode Island responsible for statewide law enforcement and regulation, especially in areas underserved by local police agencies and on the state's limited-access highways. Its headquarters is in North Scituate, a village of Scituate. History. The RISP was founded in 1925 at the request of the state's General Assembly, and was modeled on the organization structure of the Pennsylvania State Police. Its first headquarters was in the Benefit Street Marine Corps Armory in Providence, which stationed the first 23 troopers and the superintendent. At this stage, the division relied heavily on Indian motorcycles to perform their wide-ranging patrol duties. In 1936, the RISP acquired the so-called Coggeshall property in North Scituate. Consisting of approximately 145 acres of land and many outbuildings, the centerpiece of the property and new headquarters building was the Coggeshall Mansion, built in the late 19th century. The mansion and outbuildings are still in use by the RISP. During this time, the division organized itself into 3 patrol districts comprising the northern, southern, and island parts of the state. As the 20th century progressed, the RISP enlarged and modified itself, establishing new barracks and instituting new programs to further meet its statewide policing mandate. Troopers did not apply to join the Rhode Island State Police but enlisted for 3-year periods, after which they could apply for re-enlistment. The re-enlistment included a review of job performance and a full medical examination. If the member was found to be suitable for re-enlistment, they were sworn in again by a member of the division's command staff. This long-standing 3-year enlistment continues to this day. RISP at present. Currently, the RISP is composed of 2 districts, District A, which covers the northern half of the state, and District B, which covers the southern half of the state. There are currently 4 patrol commands, referred to as barracks, 7, located in. Uniforms. The 1950s-era uniform of the Rhode Island State Police is unique in the United States law enforcement community. The uniform has also won Best Dressed in the country in previous years, and in 2005, the National Association of Uniform Manufacturers and Distributors, NAMD, presented the Rhode Island State Police with an 80th Anniversary Commemorative Uniform Award. The RISP is one of only 5 state police forces that do not wear a badge on their uniform shirts. 8. Instead, they wear a set of numbers stamped in brass, placed onto a piece of black fabric, with red piping on the edges, over the left breast on the uniform shirt. However, the RISP does issue a wallet badge for off-duty use identification. The badge is gold-colored for all ranks. Unlike most other police agencies in the USA, which utilize black leather duty gear and footwear, the RISP wears leather duty gear and footwear, high boots or shoes, depending on the uniform season, that is a deep chestnut brown color, creating a very distinctive look. RISP high boots, shoes, and most of the leather duty gear is produced by the historic Denner Boot Company of Omaha, Nebraska. The RISP also has the distinction of being one of the few, if not the only, agencies to have 3 seasonal uniform changes as opposed to the standard 2-season, summer and winter, uniform change that most agencies utilize. The 3 consist of the winter uniform, high boots, breeches, long-sleeve shirt with Sam Browne strap, spring-fall uniform, shoes, regular uniform pants, long-sleeve shirt with Sam Browne strap, and summer uniform, shoes, regular uniform pants, short-sleeve shirt without Sam Browne strap. The primary colors on the state police uniform are black and red. The epaulets worn on uniform shirts and dress blouses are black and piped in red. The stripe on the spring, fall and summer uniform pants is a wide black stripe, while the striping on the winter dress uniform breeches is a wide black stripe that is piped with a thinner red stripe. The spring, fall and summer uniform pants and shirts are a lighter charcoal gray, while the winter and dress pants and shirts are a darker charcoal gray. A black tie is worn with the winter, spring, fall and dress uniforms and is tucked into the uniform shirt after the first button. The uniform hat of the RISP is a gray straw campaign-style hat for the summer and spring-fall uniforms, while the winter and dress uniform hat is a tan felt campaign-style hat. Both hats feature a brown leather band at the base of the hat and a gold-colored hat badge mounted on a brown leather backing. Specialized units, K9, tactical unit, etc., are authorized to wear BDU-style utility uniforms and black nylon web duty gear. Rank structure.